change. Went through the switch gear, new brake lever, fluids and mirrors sorted. So did I meet my $2,500 budget? Let's have a look. Purchase of the bike $1,700, spark plug $60, air filter $45, fork seals $50, boiler and oil filter $90, throttle cable $80, carb jacks $20, Yoshi muffler $130, fairing repair mist $25, front brake lever $45, front tyre $35, and diaphragms $30, which is a total of $2,550. My budget was $2,500, so I went over by $50. Pretty good, I think. Thanks so much for watching. This has been a really awesome project. I've really enjoyed it. From now, all the rest of them will be some road footage. It'll be some really cool stuff going on. I'm going to do some shakedown tests, some short road trips, and my ultimate goal is to ride right around the South Island. Till then, stay safe and see you on the road. Take care.